Hello, hello, hello. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. I'm going to make a strawberry pie. And this is part of the pie. These are chopped pecans, 1 cup, 1 and a 4 cup of chopped pecans. And I'm going to add to that 1 and a 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I will put a stick of melted butter all in this dish and mix it up like cookie dough. And then once I get that all mixed up, I will flatten it out, pat it out, and put it in the oven on 350 degrees, which is already preheating, for about 20 to 30 minutes. It just depends on your oven. When it's browned, then I'll take it out. Okay, for the filling, I will be using 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 8 ounces of Cool Whip, 2 cans of strawberry pie filling, and I will be using 2 cups of sugar, and I will add to that 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But I'll come back once I get this filling all mixed up and this dough is baked. Then I will add those ingredients on top of the cookie dough, and I'll come back and show you what I'm doing after I've mixed up all this cream cheese, sugar, and Cool Whip. Then I'll put the 2 cans of strawberry pie filling on top, and then I will put Cool Whip on top, and then about another 1/4 of a cup of pecans on top of that. But I'll come back and show you, and then it will go in the refrigerator. Okay, I'll pause right here and come right back. Just coming back in to show you the cookie dough. I've mixed it all up together. The ingredients that I told you about, which are the flour, the stick of butter, and the pecans. And I've mixed all of this up, and I'm getting ready to put it in the oven, and we will pause right here and be right back. Okay, I'm ready for the pie filling. Come on into my mixer here and see what we got going on. 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 2 cups of sugar, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And we are going to beat it in the mixer, okay? I have the paddle attachment on, as you can see here. And here it is. And let's start to beat. All the ingredients in here, and it's beating. Okay, so we will come back and show you. I'll get the spatula and clean the walls of the mixing bowl and come back in and show you in just a second. I'll pause right here. This is the finished product of the strawberry pie. And I mixed the cream cheese together with the sugar, the vanilla flavoring, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. I beat that well with the paddle attachment. And then when the pie crust was cool, I spreaded that mixture over the pie crust. And then I spreaded 2 cans of strawberry pie filling on that. And on top of that, I spreaded 8 ounces of Cool Whip on top. Then I sprinkled chopped pecans on top. And this is the finished product. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'll come back and do a taster really soon. Okay? Patty's Southern Kitchen. Hello, 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 and welcome, my YouTube family. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I had to bring you guys in to see my strawberry pie with the Cool Whip and topping. I'm sorry, pecan topping. And I have a bottle of milk here, and I've already tasted it, but I just gotta let you see it and just taste it for you. Look at that. All of that goodness, pecans, whipped cream. Mmm, mmm. It is so, so good. It is great with this milk. I love my cakes and pies with good cold milk. So, please join, please subscribe, like, share, and we will see you soon. Thanks for your support. Goodbye.